Going on, I just wanted to get on Facebook and say what up. I'm just feeling super happy today. I woke up, got my workout on, went to church, gave thanks, and so I decided just to share the love to you guys on Facebook and Twitter. Make sure you follow me at La Loca DR, and as you guys know, you're on my Facebook, so y'all don't gotta do anything besides continue to look. But I know a lot of y'all been wondering, where am I now? What am I doing right now? I can't tell you, but I can say you're going to be proud of me. All my girls, everybody who's rocked with me all the way back home from Jersey with the chipped tooth and the freaking wiggy helmet head to all the way sleeping in Tampa. Y'all going to be like, yo, congratulations, baby. Congratulations. So, I'm just excited. And I hope you guys like my hairdo, my outfit. This is all inspired from back home, New York. It's a little cold out here. Bump what you heard, everybody back home. It gets cold in Florida. And so, I decided to wear the pink lip gloss, MAC, pink nail polish with the blue shirt and the green. And that's it. And I'm going to be a teacher today. Work it, bitch. Work. Make sure you're following some of the most important people in my life right now, like Tammy Roman. She got Curls by Roman. Good hairline. I'm still waiting for my box, but get it, girls. Lipstick, definitely go Lipstick Mixtape. Clothes, go to Tinker's Closet. Shoes, these aren't from there, but damn it, I'm a shoe freak right now. Go to Shoegasm. Follow them on Twitter. I mean, everybody. Ricky Padilla, Tonight Club 23. Go support all my peoples. DJ Infrared, Marv L, all my Bostonians. Yes, the NBA is back, baby. And we're going to have a good time. So just keep checking in with me, and I'll make the announcement sooner than later. I don't know, damn it. I can't say anything yet, but I'll tell you soon. Woo-woo. Party over here. Party over here. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, and tell somebody to follow my fan page. It's La Loca. And go to itslaloca.com. Go to my YouTube. Go everywhere, because it's going to be big. Oh, do you like my makeup? Oh, and don't rock Proactive. Look what they did to my face. Sorry, but this is not how I used to look. But do you like the makeup? I know how to schmize. I'm schmizing. Mwah!